As technology frees up our hands, sweeping robots are a cutting-edge household product that can help us improve our quality of life. Robots can undertake the laborious housework, saving us time and giving us more energy to enjoy life. With just one button, anything can be done thanks to its intuitive appearance. Similar to the Roborock self-cleaning sweeping and mopping robot G10 Plus that we will give you a review of today, it provides me with a fantastic experience. You could say that once you use it, you'll fall in love with it. The base and the robot are the two components that make up the Roborock G10 Plus. The main body of the robot uses a black and white color scheme as a contrast, which is nonetheless a straightforward and chic look. This style can also make it simpler to blend into various home settings without looking odd. The robot's front still has controls for local cleaning, turning on and off the electricity, and charging the battery. It is also incredibly easy to use and quite convenient. The elderly and kids at home can easily utilize it, and there are no learning requirements. Infrared communication sensors on the front and rear of the Robot G10 Plus allow it to interact with the self-cleaning charging base and facilitate two-way charging, which involves charging in one direction and washing the mop in the other. The smell that results from the mop being jammed in the base for a long time is also avoided by the backwashing and totally open appearance. The dustbox of the Roborock Robot G10 Plus is still removable, and we occasionally receive an extra filter to swap out. The Roborock Robot G10 Plus will automatically decide whether water needs to be added for cleaning from the water tank on the side. It will automatically rehydrate the waterproof charging base before cleaning when the water level is too low. The clean water tank just needs to be kept close enough to the ground. You can actually free up your hands by manually adding water to the robot. Robot G10 Plus uses 5 long and 5 short strictures made of TPU soft rubber, which not only increases the rubber brush's wear resistance, but also ensures the effectiveness of wind pressure and dust removal. It is more appropriate than the primary brush with integrated rubber hair because of the slant spiral appearance. It is not simple to become stuck by hair and other debris in places like carpets, and it is also detachable for simple cleaning. A vibrating mop module is situated next to the main brush. The mop utilizes a detachable appearance as well. A new and improved antibacterial substance is used to make the mop. The vibration area and the pollution area are its two main components. Additionally, the Roborock Robot G10 Plus has a side brush with a dynamic changeable speed that rotates at a modest 130 RPM for routine cleaning to prevent flying trash. Only when cleaning around furniture or along walls should the speed be increased by 2.5 times. Otherwise, dust and hair can be removed at 330 RPM. Clear the area of dust, get rid of the dust that is collected in the wall's crevices, and avoid interfering with the main brush as it collects trash. Additionally, the Roborock G10 Plus comes with a bottle of floor cleaning solution that may more effectively remove stubborn stains from the floor and eventually wash the colors away with running water. The base of Roborock G10 Plus has a built-in clean water tank and a sewage tank, and both have built-in floating ball hull sensors, which can detect the absence of water and the presence of water in the clean water tank and the sewage tank, and users can well grasp the water in the clean water tank. It is convenient to add water, and when the sewage tank is complete, a reminder will be issued, so there is no need to worry about the overflow of water. Of course, what everyone is most concerned about is its cleaning ability. The Roborock G10 Plus has added a Max Plus gear, and the maximum suction power can reach 5100 pascals. The super dust absorbing ability makes it easy to deal with ground dust, floor gaps, and carpet dust. In order to clean more cleanly, Roborock Robot G10 Plus is also equipped with a liftable mopping board, which is combined with the sonic vibration mopping module, using sonic vibration to disintegrate stubborn stains on the ground. The high-frequency vibration appearance of up to 3000 RPM motor. The floating mop, the perfect combination of ground module and high-frequency vibration, which closely fits the ground, directly hits the deep floor gap, and can also handle uneven and complex ground environments, such as rough ceramic surfaces. Additionally, the Roborock Robot G10 Plus makes use of an artificial intelligence algorithm to let the sweeper decide whether or not it is currently essential to hoist the mop. There is no need for the sweeping and mopping robot to manually navigate the entrance when it faces issues like slipping or crossing the threshold, because it will automatically judge the situation and raise the mopping module to prevent being stuck. The mopping robot will also automatically lift the mopping module when continuing to clean the floor after recharging, backwashing, and cleaning, in order to prevent secondary pollution of the freshly cleaned surface and make it appear brighter. If it is bound to the app, you can also set the cleaning suction and mopping strength for the Roborock Robot G10 Plus. The cleaning standard is entirely up to the user. You can also demarcate the cleaning area and set various types such as sweeping, mopping only, and sweeping only. For setting selection, you can choose the fine mopping and deep slow mopping modes, which will soak the stains for a longer time, fully soften the stubborn stains, and wipe the ground more carefully, fully considering the needs of users in different scenarios. Through the ability of LDS high-precision modeling, Roborock G10 Plus will complete the rapid construction of the map, in the mode of first building the map without cleaning, and can provide 2D and 3D maps. Users can set different cleaning plans according to other ground materials, allowing the cleaning work becomes more efficient, and there is also the convenience of remote operation. One of the crucial upgrade features of the Roborock G10 Plus is the obstacle avoidance feature. The Roborock G10 Plus's structured light can reach millimeter-level 3D structured light ranging, and can actively measure distance and avoid obstacles. The robot can detect obstacles and avoid them even in dark situations, with the help of infrared light. The Roborock G10 Plus can also incorporate the map data to improve obstacle avoidance, if the barrier's position is marked on the app's map. In the actual test, the Roborock Robot G10 Plus performed admirably in terms of cleaning tasks, including removing fluffy paper fragments. When swept, it can take in the entire object at once. Even if it encounters sundries like tea, it can be cleaned at one time, without the need to sweep the tea leaves first, and then mop the floor like our traditional sweeping, which really saves worry and trouble. In the obstacle avoidance test, we put a water cup on the path of the sweeping robot, and found that the Roborock G10 Plus can avoid obstacles well, and it will clean around the water cup without knocking it over. This obstacle avoidance ability is truly incredible. Roborock G10 Plus's capacity to clean thoroughly and adopt a novel method of rag washing, using a water-spraying mop cleaning device, connected to the clean water tank through a peristaltic pump, allows it to be completed in a single click. With a slide rail, it may reciprocate in all directions to wash, brush, scrape, and then to drain sewage. The flat plate vibrates the mop and cleans the scraper, completing the mop self-cleaning process. The cleaning effect is also ideal when combined. It can be seen that the mop of the Roborock G10 Plus is indeed much cleaner after cleaning. The official said that it could achieve a cleaning effect of more than 95%, which also means that we no longer need to clean the mop manually. The Roborock G10 Plus also has a self-cleaning function of the base station. A variable direction rubber scraper is installed under the mop cleaning device, which can complete the task of cleaning the base, without requiring the user to clean the bottom of the ground manually frequently. Not only that, but the Roborock G10 Plus can also be equipped with a drying module, which supports the hot air drying function. Thanks to the new return to home system, when the Roborock G10 Plus returns to the base, it will independently decide whether to wash the mop and collect dust this time, according to the historical sweeping and mopping behavior. The dust mode is equivalent to saving the user one operation step, making cleaning and sanitation indeed a one-click thing. Finally, the Roborock G10 Plus charges 30% more quickly than the T7S series, and features Valley Point charging, which enables the robot to be fully charged at night, when power consumption is low. You not only stop worrying, but you also stop spending money. In conclusion, I am thrilled with the Roborock G10 Plus's comprehensive experience. The robot's cleaning capabilities have been greatly enhanced by its super suction, sonic vibration and constant humidity wiping, artificial intelligence, intelligent control lifting, and artificial intelligence obstacle avoidance 2.0 technology. The use of features like automatic water replenishment, cleaning mop, and app operation settings can further simplify the cleaning steps and eliminate the need for additional manual operations. Who wouldn't adore a Roborock self-cleaning sweeping and mopping robot like the G10 Plus? Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Have a nice day and see you soon.